Hey guys, this is Alan at ERT, or Electric Race Technologies. So I know a lot of you guys had questions regarding the ASI BAC800 controller for the Bafang BBSHD motor. So I decided to make a video that's hopefully going to answer some of those questions and concerns. So today I'll be doing a video, installation video, specifically on how to install the BAC800 for the BBSHD. So really simple. First thing you want to do is you're going to want to remove the stock controller, which I already have on this motor. So all you have to do is just unfasten 3 Allen bolts right here. And then this will come off, of course. So here you would have your motor connections. So what you want to do is you want to take the motor cables from the BAC800 and then go ahead and connect them like so. Make sure that they are color matching, so green to green, blue to blue, yellow to yellow. Okay, then you want to connect the hall sensors. So it's going to be this white plug right here. That should just snap in place. Finally, your PAS sensor connector that goes here. Then you're going to want to put on the supplied 3D printed cover. Now, these wires do have to bend a bit, and that's okay. Yep, so once that's done, you're going to want to fasten the Allen bolts again at these 3 points. So now that that's connected, you're going to want to connect your existing Bafang harness, which is this one right here. So this goes to the controller, like so. Your display is going to connect here. The green plug. Like so. So a couple of things that are kind of new to the latest revision of this kit. First thing is upgraded cables for both the battery connection and the motor wires. So I've switched to 12 AUG RC grade wires. So these are high temp silicone heat resistant cable, very flexible, low resistance, high strand count. Okay, so now that that's connected, you're going to want to connect your throttle. Which goes here. This could be female plug to male plug. Male plug is on the harness side. Okay, so before we connect the battery, I want to show you guys that the latest revision has a 2-pin plug for lights, and so this could be 6 volts, and it's could be supplied by the controller, and the lights could be toggled on and off via the display by holding on to the up or the plus button right here for a couple seconds, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. So finally, we connect the battery like so. Okay, everything's connected now. We're going to hold the power button on the display panel. Display comes on, ERT logo. So this is what you should see. You should say ERT. That means everything's running properly. or connected properly. So here's a LED strip I have right here, hooked up to a 2-pin red plug. So here we go. So I'm going to hold the plus button right now. So light comes on. Yep. You'll see this light icon top left corner, and also the display would actually dim itself. To turn the light off, hold the plus sign. So screen returns back to normal brightness, light turns off. Okay, so one thing I do have to mention is that the motor will be running by itself, and that's actually perfectly normal. This is to keep the freewheel engaged so that when you're cruising and you get back on the throttle, it will be smooth instead of being abrupt. So here we go. Throttle, assist 1. So that's level 1. Here's level 2. And here's level 3. Okay, so that works. Here I'm going to demonstrate pedal assist. Alright, so I think that pretty much covers it. So everything is plug and play. You don't have to swap connections or anything like that. And there you go. Thanks for watching.